This message has interrupted your regular programming. The following message is transmitted to the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Hospitals has been reporting people getting worms inside of their bodies. There weren't any fatalities while removing the worms, but people were getting diseases from the worms. The effects from the disease is weight loss, dullness, mild diarrhea, and the weirdest affection is lack of egg production. If anyone knows why these worms are getting inside people's body, call 911 immediately. And happy Thanksgiving. This message has interrupted your regular programming. The following message is transmitted to the Federal Emergency Management Agency. One doctor has found out why people are getting worms from their bodies. It was turkeys. Whatever you do, don't buy any or hunt any turkeys. All turkeys in the world have been having worms inside their bodies. So you can't have any turkey on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.